Hello everyone. Having trouble with your PetSafe fence? Is your dog testing the limits of your yard? Finding a break in an underground fence can be a frustrating challenge, but don't worry, we will walk you through the steps to locate that pesky break. It's often simpler than you might think, and we'll cover everything you need to know to get your system back up and running. First, let's start with your PetSafe transmitter, the main unit usually located in your garage or utility room. Is it powered on? Check if the power light is illuminated. Is it beeping constantly? A continuous beep from the transmitter is usually the clearest sign of a break in your boundary wire. Also, observe the loop indicator light. If it's red or off when it should be green, that also points to a wire issue. Make sure the unit is securely plugged into a working electrical outlet. You can try plugging it into a different outlet to rule out a power supply problem. If you use a surge protector, try bypassing it temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Next, let's test the transmitter itself to ensure it's not the faulty component. Carefully disconnect both ends of your main boundary wire from the transmitter's terminals. Grab a short piece of spare wire, about 6 to 10 inches long, and strip a small amount of insulation from both ends. Insert this short wire into the two boundary wire terminals on your transmitter. This creates a small test loop. If the beeping stops and the loop indicator light turns green, your transmitter is working correctly, and the break is definitely in your main underground fence wire. If the unit still beeps or shows a red light with this test loop, then your transmitter itself is likely faulty, and you should contact PetSafe support for assistance. Assuming your transmitter is fine, now it's time to find the break in your main wire. You have a few effective methods. The first is a thorough visual inspection. Walk your entire fence line slowly and carefully. Look for any disturbed soil, areas where the ground has been dug up, or exposed wire. Pay close attention to high-traffic areas like driveways, gate entrances, or spots where gardening tools or lawnmowers might have caused damage. Sometimes, a simple nick is all it takes. Another helpful trick involves an AM/FM radio. Grab a portable AM radio and tune it to a clear, static-filled frequency, typically around 530 to 600 kHz on the AM band. Hold the radio close to the ground, directly over your buried fence wire. As you walk along the entire boundary, you should hear a distinct hum or static sound from the radio. When you pass over the spot where the wire is broken, the hum will suddenly stop or become very faint. This method can be a bit less precise, but it's a good starting point. For the most accurate and efficient method, consider using a wire break locator, which you can purchase online or from hardware stores. These devices typically consist of a transmitter and a receiver. You connect the locator's transmitter to one end of your boundary wire, after disconnecting it from your PetSafe unit, and sometimes to a ground stake. Then, you walk along the fence line with the receiver. The receiver will emit a signal or display a reading that changes dramatically or disappears entirely when you are directly over the wire break, pinpointing the exact location. Once you've successfully located the break, carefully dig up the wire. You will need to repair it using waterproof wire connectors, which are crucial for a long-lasting fix underground. Strip the insulation from the ends of the broken wire, twist them securely together with a new piece of wire if you need to bridge a gap, and then use the waterproof connector to seal the splice completely. Ensure the connection is robust and watertight, then rebury the repaired section. Finally, reconnect your main boundary wire to your PetSafe transmitter. The unit should now show a green light and stop beeping. Test your dog's collar by walking it around the boundary to confirm the system is fully operational. Thank you for watching this video. We hope these steps help you quickly find and fix the break in your PetSafe underground fence, keeping your beloved pet safe and secure. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we truly appreciate it.